What if you could spot underperformance before it shows up in your appraisals? HR analytics can help you do this using your data and not guesswork. In every organization, underperformance doesn't happen overnight. It builds gradually through missed deadlines, disengagement, and even productivity dips. The good news is your HR data already tells the story. You just have to know where to look. Welcome back to HR Analytics and Rewards Lab. On this channel, we simplify HR analytics and rewards for professionals like you. We will now discuss the leading indicators of underperformance. First, I will say track the percentage of employees that are consistently missing key deliverables. You can do this by reviewing your missed deadlines or your goal slippage rates. Also check that there's no downward trend in your engagement scores because this often predicts performance issues. Next, compare your productivity over time. Check your output per employee or your task completion rates because a steady drop in output per employee is usually an early signal. The next is to review your manager's feedback patterns. Check because frequent low ratings on initiative or quality of work is also an indicator of underperformance. Very key to note here is that subtle rise in absenteeism or lateness can often correlate with disengagement or burnout. So please check your absenteeism rate as it's also a major indicator of underperformance. We have just discussed the indicators of underperformance. So let's use analytics to detect patterns. Firstly, combine performance ratings with attendance, your output data, and even engagement data. They use trend analysis or simple correlation in Excel to identify early warning signs. In our previous video, I had shown the practical way of computing correlation on Excel. Once you are done with this, it's also good to highlight recurring drops across two or more indicators. It's really random that anything you see in data is happening. Once this is done, you will know what your next line of action is as HR. We now understand the indicators of underperformance. We have also seen how to use analytics to detect patterns. Now, what's next? What next for HR is your action. You need to begin to intervene early with coaching or mentorship. Also, try adjusting your workload distribution or revisit your KPIs. Most importantly, track your post-intervention improvements. That's your HR ROI metric. Remember that performance management shouldn't start at appraisal. It should start with data. When you analyze early signals, you move from reacting to preventing underperformance. That's the power of HR analytics in action. So if you like what we have just discussed here today, please subscribe to this channel for more HR analytics insights.